Safal is a part of NDDB and under Mother Dairy. They have about 400 stores throughout Delhi and NCR region. They were the first in modern trade for fruits and vegetables, and they started about 25 years ago. At that time, they were really the benchmark for fresh fruits and vegetables. Over the years, their equity has got diluted, and they are seen as being fair price shops, ration shops for fruits and vegetables. When you go to buy vegetables and you go to a vegetable vendor, the biggest signifier of freshness of vegetables for the ordinary consumer is the fresh leafy greens. But if you really think about how this vendor is hydrating those leafy greens, by using dirty contaminated water and sprinkling it on those greens throughout the day and soaking them in green water, which is colored with dyes, industrial dyes, and then taken out, and it appears brighter and fresher green. So the supply chain for fruits and vegetables in India is very, very contaminated, and Safal has this pristine chain where they do not use chemicals such as carbides for ripening fruits artificially. They keep the fruits safe and very natural, but they don't look as good. And so the conundrum was, how does Safal, from being a cheap, low quality vegetable store, actually become the best quality of fruits and vegetables in the city?
तो यहाँ पे कस्टमर्स आते हैं, यहाँ पे अच्छा सेल होता है ज़्यादा, बट काफ़ी सामान तो भरा हुआ है, काफ़ी स्टॉक तो ज़्यादा है।
तो सामान तो पूरा रहता है, ग्राहक नहीं आते।
जैसे ग्राहक कम आते हैं, कहाँ से लेते हैं? अगर आप आस-पास रहते हैं तो
ये रेडी वालों से चले,
रेडी वालों से ले लेते हैं।
जैसे सीढ़ी में मार्केट लगते हैं यहाँ से।
अच्छा,
हाँ, लेकिन ये पहले बहुत अच्छी चलती थी, क्या दिक्कत तो अभी आई है। इस पिछले एक साल से नहीं चली है, नहीं तो पहले भी ठीक चल रही है।
So when we went to Delhi, we saw that the market was largely unorganized. So there are a lot of rediwalas, lot of unorganized markets, what we call mandis. So 90%, roughly 85 to 90% of the market is unorganized. So Safal had to gain more from the unorganized market rather than the organized players.
So the entire Safal chain strategy was much more than redoing their stores and the brand identity. It required us understanding their supply chain. It required us understanding all the issues that face Safal, right from the sourcing to the management of how the trucks were delivering things, to the motivation of the concessionaires themselves, who were not motivated enough to put out fresh vegetables and so on, to working with the marketing team and changing the ethos of the brand from only talking about the lowest price to having communication of an entirely different kind about the safety of the fruits and about how natural these fruits are.
We came up with the idea of using metaphor soil. Soil is pure, it is in abundance, it is natural, and so to reflect this, we have used the material which celebrate the naturalness. So like wood, cane, stone, so these kind of materials we have used in our store design.
Today is a day of change, and what is changed? It changed from last 28 years, the design of the booth. The change has happened in the ways of working in the booth, and that journey of this change initiated almost 8 months back. and that is the time when the DY Works has come into the picture, and they did extremely hard work in terms of finding the people's choice and why the people are behaving the way they are behaving, why the customers are not attracted to Safal booths. Having done that, then the design and aesthetics, the way it is being preserved, the way it is being kept there, the way the concessionaire behaves with the customer throughout the day, these are all very important aspects of company.
So change is always welcome. और कोई नया चेंज आता है तो कस्टमर भी उसको काफ़ी लाइक करते हैं, वेलकम करते हैं उसको।
सचमुच आज की तारीख में, आज जब कस्टमर, आज हमने इसका शुभारंभ किया नवीनीकृत बूथ का, तो कस्टमर की जो रिएक्शन हमें मिले बूथ से, दुकान से निकलने के बाद, वो हमारी उम्मीदों से बहुत अधिक थे। लोगों ने, इवन कस्टमर ने क्या, पहली बात जब हमने अपना बूथ बन के देखा तब हमारी भी परिकल्पना से कहीं आगे हमें वो मिला।
Time to time we have changed our ideas, our concept with the consent of customer.
We will see the reaction further, how the people react to it, but we hope all the best.
गवर्नमेंट की शॉप है, फ्रेश फ्रूट्स है, फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स है और रेट भी बिल्कुल ठीक है।
पहले आते थे यहाँ पे तो कोई इतना था नहीं, यहाँ पर ना कोई ढंग का सामान था, ना फ्रेश मिलता था कुछ। अब सब सामान भी देखने में फ्रेश है, शॉप भी नीट एंड क्लीन है, सब सामान है।
At a very little place, I can get a variety of things.
So this went beyond simply a visual design exercise into a behavioral understanding of the model, of what creates motivations and what consumers will eventually relate to, and how will the Safal brand and its perception change in the marketplace.